Hello guys, in this video I will show you different type of snack bar using Flutter application. We are not going to be using any third-party plugin. Just start with this one, simple. Here we have a snack bar. We need to pass some properties like content. Content is nothing but our label. We're just going to be show some information right here, and we have a action button in this snack bar. This one is optional. You can remove it and you can show only content to user. So in this snackbar, we have here two properties, one for message, another for action button. Action button with the label and on press button. Here you can do some action when user on click this undo button. And then we have passing this snackbar to our ScaffoldMessenger of show snackbar. Then you need to pass this one. It will be show snackbar like this. This is default snackbar. We're just going to be customize this snackbar like this. To make this, we're just making ScaffoldMessenger show message show snackbar. Within this function, we just having snackbar. First, we have setting the elevation 0, and then we have a content. Instead of giving message, here we have passing the card view. So we have a card view. Here we just making the border radius 5 dB. So just we every end we just making the border radius and we using the clip behavior which really make performance better. So I just using this one to making the border radius of 5 dB. Then I have set elevation 1 to my card view. Then I have a child. In this child I have set some padding to this content. So you can see the padding to all the corner. And then I have a row. So basically row will help us to bind data like this, space, column view, and then one vertical line and then one button. So likewise we have created space. Here is the expanded column view, title and description. Then here is the container vertical line about my this vertical line and then undo button. Here is my snack bar action. Finally, I just setting some background color transparent and duration of my this snack bar. It's basically 4 to 10 seconds you should say. It should not interrupt your main activities. So here we have a space and there is a column of title and description, then vertical line and undo button. Likewise, we have created this row. Then we are going to be see this card view with image of our snack bar. This similar thing we just using the scaffold of show snack bar. This snack bar have elevation and we have a card view. Then we did some corner border radius. Then we set elevation 1 dB to this card view of snack bar. Then we have a row. In this row we have some additional widgets like image assets. So same things both, we have added some image right here. This is a row. We have set some width of height to make some space right here. Then we have a image. Here is the image, and then we set some width. Here we set some width, and then we have a expandable column view, title and description. Then we have set vertical line, and then we set the undo button. Finally, we set background color and we set duration about this snack bar. This is all about snack bar. You can download this source code from my video description. Then you can try it yourself. See you guys in next video.